Hello everyone, I'm Elvin. In previous class, I told you some terms you have to know in Excel. And in this class, I'm gonna be showing you how to create a transcript for your students. So let's get started. In the following class, I'm gonna be teaching you every single skill one by one and step by step. So don't be nervous, let's do it. First things, I wanna enter some data in the cell. So first things I want to do is here I open the Excel's layout and I want to type some little title here, so I type transcript for maybe first grade class 1, and my text is bigger than the cell. It goes too far to the right. But don't worry, just hit enter and you successfully enter the first data in the cell. Sometimes make your spreadsheet look nice will actually help you use it better. So let's talk about how I could fix the text in the cell. There won't be a problem, and I'll show you. Just like this, I can stretch any columns or any rows by just put my mouse between the two column letters. And this is column D and column E, so I put my mouse between the two columns or very close to it. I can click and hold on and drag it to the right to make it wider to fix the text. This is the first way we can do it. And if you have lots of data, you will not want to do it again and again. So you just put your mouse between the two column letters and double click on it, and Excel will fix a text for you automatically. It's very convenient. Alright, so next, let's talk about how to fix a misspelling. Sometimes you will type something wrong in the cell, inevitably, so it's very important. And to go to the next cell, you just use the arrow on your keyboard to go right, go down, go left, and go up. And you should notice that if you're on the cell, this is on the cell. If you're on the cell, you will replace all the data in your text like this. So you will notice if you are on the cell or in the cell, if you want to revise your text in the cell, you should double click on it to jump inside it. And you will notice your mouse cursor have this sign, just like this sign. It's a good sign, so you can fix your text like this. Yeah. Okay. These are the basic skills for you to use Microsoft Excel. And after typing all of the data of yours like this, it seems to be in short of something. So in my third class, I'm gonna be showing you how to dress up a little bit and make it look better. This is my second class, and thank you for learning with me. See you next time. Bye.